Hey, what's up? This is Tony. Do you own an RV? Do you have it just sitting in your driveway? Do you have it sitting in storage and it's really not doing anything besides costing you money? Everybody buys an RV with the greatest intentions, but what happens a lot of times, things in life change, or you only end up being able to get, 1 to 2 weeks off from your job where you had to use the other weekend because the kid got sick, or you guys had to remodel the house or something of that nature, or you bought it and your hips hurt now and you can't go as much as you thought, and it's just sitting in storage, costing you money. As you can imagine, there's an Airbnb for everything nowadays. And I've been in the vacation condo rental market of people's timeshares for the last 3 years, and I've started a very successful business renting out people's timeshares. But one thing I'm excited about now, what industry we're moving in that you could benefit from. Now, if you don't use us, you could totally do it on your own. But as you can imagine, there's an Airbnb for everything now, and there is companies out there that do RV rentals. If you own an RV, you know how expensive these things are. Foot $300 to $1,000 a month, plus $200 a month for insurance, plus $150 a month for storage. So they can be quite costly, and you might not be using them all the time. So I got this solution. You can advertise it for rent on various different websites. A lot of them are they all include insurance. They all include background checks. They all include driver checks. They have all the marketing done for you. They have all that done for you. And so what we've done is we've even boiled it down and made it even easier for you, where you don't even have to do any of the work. Because, quite honestly, if you do rent it out, it is very lucrative, but there is quite a bit of process to it. So what happens if you have to, go ahead, Todd, go ahead, but yeah, you can go ahead and do it yourself, but what you're going to find out is it takes a lot longer to clean, takes a lot longer to maintain. People are a lot more picky than you thought. They all think they're staring at the Marriott, so you got to be able to live up to people's expectations, all right? And so one of the things that we found is you got to treat it like a hotel. You got to treat it like a business. So we do it for people. One of the biggest concerns people have when they want to rent it out is, how does it come back? How do people treat it? We just got this one back. This is the small one we have. We just got that back from EDC. I mean, it looks perfectly fine. We had some nice kids that wanted to rent it out. They paid probably triple the normal rate, so I don't know, it was like $350, $400 a night. And so you're able to take advantage of these special events in town, NASCAR races, Burning Man, all these different events where your RV is just sitting there. You could turn it into a cash money maker. Imagine making an extra $400, $800, $2,000 a month on your thing that's just sitting at that storage place, just collecting dust, costing you money that you had the best intentions of using it, and you're gonna go all over and do the Grand Canyon and do a cross-country trip, but now it's ended up costing you $800, $900 a month. And what's it doing? It's just sitting there. Click below on the link. Go to our calculator. You don't have to, it's completely free. All you gotta do is type in what kind of RV you own, what class it is, how many days a year do you use it, all that kind of stuff. And then what it'll do, while I'm showing you how bad these RVs come up, because the biggest concern people have when they rent out their RVs is, are they going to trash it? And so because everything's insured, we take $1,000 deposit or whatever deposit. So this is the inside. That's as bad as it got from the dirt and stuff. So, just basically like a normal trip. These guys keep away cleaner than I got a family with twin 5-year-old girls. So it's definitely going to be a lot dirtier than, I feel safer having complete strangers using mine than to have my family use it, to be honest. But we'll come in the RV. Let's see. It just got back. Todd's in the middle of cleaning it out right now. As you can tell, nothing's wrong. So most people would be scared to rent. Oh, I don't want to go into EDC. They're just going to be partying and doing stuff. And, besides, they left the pillows. The nice kids even put the towels, Look at it. Let's see how bad the kitchen, the bathroom is. Just a little bit, just normal wear and tear, just like when you stay at a hotel. It's no different than that. And then they have a deposit. So if anything happens, all we do is we take it out of the deposit, replace it. We make sure every nook and cranny of your RV is perfectly in perfect shape, because for the next renter, we have to make sure that you know, everything's on the up and up, so they'll continue to rent from us year after year. Sorry about the filming, I'm new to this, but I just wanted to kind of give you a brief view of your worst case scenario, which is these peak times where people get a little nervous about you know, wanting to rent it out, Burning Man or EDC or things of that nature. So we go ahead and we take care of all that for you. Click the link below, go to the calculator, and then it'll have our contact information. You can put in your email address if you want us to contact, and you can feel free to set up an appointment, and I can tell you how our program works, and let us help you turn that thing into a moneymaker. Or let me know if you have any questions, and I'm going to start a YouTube channel, and I'll make videos on, if you're going to do it on your own, the best way to do it. All right, God bless.